Imagine waking up to find $100, $200, or even $1,000 added to your bank account. No clocking in, no boss breathing down your neck. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. But here's the harsh truth. Most people won't act on this until it's too late. The difference between struggling to make ends meet and building a life of financial freedom lies in one thing: passive income. And today, I'm sharing 7 powerful ideas you can start in 2025 to grow your wealth. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand how I'm making $1,000 a month, and you'll be armed with the tools to start your own journey. But don't skip ahead. You'll miss a critical tip that could change everything. 1. Dividend investing. Let's start with one of my favorites. Dividend investing. Imagine owning pieces of giant companies like Apple or Coca-Cola and getting paid quarterly just for holding their stock. Here's the exciting part. It doesn't take much to start. Apps like Robinhood or Fidelity let you buy fractional shares for as little as $10. Over time, those tiny investments snowball, paying you increasing dividends. But remember, the earlier you start, the bigger the rewards. Quick thought. Did you know Warren Buffett makes over $4 billion annually from dividends? Don't let that sink in for too long. We've got more to cover. 2. Print-on-demand business. Ever wonder who designs those quirky t-shirts or cool mugs on Etsy? Chances are they're created by someone running a print-on-demand business. Here's the best part. You don't need inventory, and you don't need to be Picasso. Platforms like Printify or Printful let you upload simple designs, and they handle everything from printing to shipping. All you need is creativity, or, hey, you can even hire a freelancer for that. Before we move on, let me ask you this. What's stopping you from putting your first design online today? 3. Affiliate marketing. If you've ever recommended a product to a friend, you've done affiliate marketing, you just didn't get paid for it. Imagine earning commissions every time someone buys a product through your link. You can sign up for affiliate programs through Amazon or ClickBank, create content around the products, and watch the commissions roll in. Pro tip: focus on high-ticket items for bigger payouts. Think of it like this. Instead of being the customer, you're now the one getting paid. Feels good, right? 4th, digital products. Here's a future-proof idea: selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. It's scalable, low-cost, and perfect if you have expertise to share. For example, if you're good at budgeting, why not create a downloadable budgeting template or a beginner's guide to investing? Websites like Gumroad make it ridiculously easy to sell your products. But here's a little cliffhanger. There's one passive income idea coming up that almost nobody is talking about in 2025. Stay tuned. 5. Renting out equipment. Now, this one's unexpected but powerful. Renting out your equipment. Got a high-quality camera, power tools, or even a drone? Platforms like Fat Llama let you rent them out for cash. What's exciting is how much you can earn from things just sitting around your house. But let me hit you with a question. How many unused items do you have collecting dust right now? These are just some of the ways to create passive income. Remember, the goal isn't to do all of them. It's to pick one, take action, and let the magic of consistency work in your favor. And here's the thing. I mentioned I'm making $1,000 a month from these strategies. Want to know the real secret? It's the power of compounding, letting small efforts grow into something massive over time. Thanks for watching. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom. See you in the next video.